Good morning, Miss Neville Science students, and happy hump day, happy Wednesday from Miss Neville. I wanted to take some time to explain to you what your remote learning day will look like tomorrow, Thursday, April 1st. So tomorrow, it will be a remote learning day. That means there will be no live sessions occurring in our science class. Instead, you're going to be working on a gizmo assignment. When you go into your science folder, and it's not released right now, when you go into your science class for Schoology, you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it's going to say, and it's not in a folder, Thursday Remote Virtual Lab Assignment. In order for you to complete this assignment, you'll need to make sure you have an Explore Learning or Gizmo account created. If you have not created an Explore Learning or Gizmo account, please email Miss Neville through your school email and let me know so we can help you out and get you an account set up. Okay, so you're going to be working on this, and it will be due on Friday. Okay, so what you're going to do is, number one, the directions are here. You're going to click on this link, explorelearning.com, and you're going to complete, I'll go ahead and click on it. And when I log into my account, I'm going to be able to see that Miss Neville has released something called a Growing Plants Lab. When you go through this lab, you're then going to click Launch Gizmo to actually start it. And you're going to be able to manipulate the amount of water, the type of seed, the type of soil, and the amount of light it takes to grow a tomato, bean, or turnip plant. After you have completed this, you've been working and experimenting here, you're going to answer the 5 questions that follow. Remember, you only get one attempt here, so you'll want to make sure you take your time to get this done. There will be no second attempts offered, so you'll want to make sure you do your best on that. There's a second part to this grade, so if you don't do very well on the questions, there's a second part that you'll need to complete. After you've completed the 5 questions, you're also then going to complete the worksheet activities A and B. So when you download that worksheet, here it is here. You're going to treat it just like when you're in face-to-face school. You're going to put your name at the top. You're going to complete this worksheet. You're going to follow the directions that the worksheet has out, and then fill your answers in. It's important for you to know that altogether there are 3 pages, it looks like, 3 pages for you to complete. Okay, so you want to make sure you complete all 3 pages accurately. Ms. Neville does not grade based on completion. I grade on accuracy. Now, the good news is this is most of your grade. The worksheet, the 2 activities on the worksheet weigh much more than the 5 questions, and you get multiple attempts on the worksheet. Okay, so if you find that you don't answer a question or you didn't follow the directions completely on activity A, feel free to submit it again. After you've completed this worksheet, you're going to save it, and then you're going to submit it back at Schoology where that blue button is, where it says submit this assignment or submissions. Okay, I hope this helps you out. I do want to make sure you know that the only way for you to be counted present tomorrow, because we won't have a live session, the only way for you to be counted present tomorrow is to complete these assignments. When you turn in anything on Schoology, Ms. Neville receives a time stamp, a time and date stamp of when you worked on it and when you completed it. Okay, so if you complete these assignments tomorrow, you will receive present. If you do not complete these assignments, please listen here. If you do not complete these assignments during your remote learning day on Thursday, you will be absent for Thursday. I hope this helps you out. If you have any extra questions, please feel free to email Ms. Neville through school email, message me on Schoology, or through Remind. Have a really great day, guys. See you during your live session this morning.